Welcome to the Techie Dialogue YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable hardware acceleration in VLC Media Player. If you find VLC slowing down or experiencing issues, turning off hardware acceleration can help. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Step 2. Next, click on the Tools option at the top of the window. A drop-down menu will appear. Go ahead and click on Preferences. Step 3. This will open up the Settings dialog box. Now, click on the Input Codecs tab, which you'll find on the top row of the menu. Step 4. In this tab, locate the Hardware Decoding option. Click on the drop-down menu beside it and select Disable to turn off hardware acceleration. Finally, make sure to click Save to apply the changes. And that's it! You've successfully disabled hardware acceleration in VLC. Thanks for watching!